Hello friends, today in this video session we will discuss about Edge Compute Stack. In short, we call it ECS. We will discuss about the benefits of ECS, why all organizations are implementing it in current scenario. So let us begin. Edge computing is the practice of locating workload data as close to the system's edge as possible. In order to create new data and carry out actions, data is placed at the edge of the system in this technology. A combination of hardware and software elements such as sensors, gateways, edge servers, and cloud servers make up the infrastructure for this edge computing. Edge compute infrastructure can have machine learning models deployed at the edge node of the infrastructure to improve decision making and to reduce the need of sending data to the cloud for processing. The devices in this diagram are IoT devices, that is Internet of Things. Edge computing is the future and it has variety of applications in different industries such as healthcare, transportation, retail and manufacturing. The data is processed locally on these Internet of Things devices and this reduces the latency of data processing. There are many applications which need real-time data processing these days. So in order to perform quick operation and to avoid maximum processing of data at data center, edge computing architecture has been designed like this. Now coming towards the benefits of edge computing. There are many benefits like low latency, high throughput, security of data, context awareness, compliance and privacy, resilience, and data reduction. There are other benefits as well, like low latency, backend traffic reduction, efficient data management, rapid access to data analytics, then cloud cost reduction, and network load reduction. So, there are several benefits of edge computing architecture for which all companies and organizations are preferring to deploy it nowadays. Thank you for watching this video. Please do post your queries and suggestions so that I can bring new videos as per your requirement. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay tuned to my channel.